If you're looking for the best drone in 2026 for aerial photography, travel videos, or beginner flying, then this video is for you. Today we're going to explore the top 5 best drones you can buy in 2026. These drones offer great camera quality, stable GPS flight, long battery life, and beginner-friendly controls. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or a first-time drone pilot, these drones provide excellent performance for the price. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. At number 1, we have the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone, a powerful yet lightweight drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone is extremely portable and easy to carry on trips. It features a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with a 4K camera, which helps capture incredibly stable and cinematic footage. One of its biggest highlights is the 96 minutes total flight time with the Fly More combo batteries, allowing you to fly much longer compared to most drones in this category. The drone also offers 6 km transmission range, giving you the freedom to explore wide landscapes while maintaining a stable connection. Smart flight features such as visual tracking and quick shots make it easy to create professional-looking aerial videos even if you're a beginner. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for ultra-stable video. Excellent 4K camera quality. Up to 96 minutes total flight time. Long 6 km transmission range. Overall, the Potensic is an excellent choice for creators who want high-quality footage without carrying a heavy drone. Number 2. SIMREX GPS drone with 4K camera. At number 2, we have the SIMREX GPS drone with 4K camera, a GPS feature-packed drone designed for beginners. This drone includes a 4K HD camera with 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, allowing you to view live footage directly on your smartphone while flying. It uses brushless motors, which are quieter, more efficient, and last longer compared to traditional motors. The drone also offers intelligent flight modes like follow me, waypoint flight, and gesture control, making it easier to capture creative aerial shots. Thanks to the GPS positioning system and auto return function, the drone can automatically return home if the signal is lost or the battery runs low. Pros: affordable price, 4K camera with FPV live view, multiple intelligent flight modes, brushless motor for smoother flight. Overall, the SIMREX drone is a great budget option for beginners looking to start aerial photography. Number 3. Antigravity A1 Explorer. At number 3, we have the Antigravity A1 Explorer, a powerful and innovative drone built for immersive flying. This drone stands out with its 8K 360-degree camera, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed panoramic footage. It also includes point-to-fly motion control, which means you can control the drone simply by pointing on your screen. The drone features advanced obstacle avoidance technology, helping prevent collisions while flying. With a 10 km transmission range and multiple batteries in the bundle, you can explore large areas and capture stunning cinematic shots. Pros: stunning 8K 360-degree camera, advanced obstacle avoidance, long 10 km transmission range, smart auto editing features. Overall, the Antigravity A1 Explorer is perfect for creators who want cutting-edge drone technology and immersive video capture. Number 4. GPS drone with EIS camera and built-in LCD controller. At number 4, we have the GPS drone with 4K camera and electronic image stabilization, helping reduce shakiness while recording. One unique feature is the 4.5-inch display built directly into the controller, so you don't need to connect your phone to see the live video feed. It also supports smart flight modes like follow me, orbit mode, and circle fly, which allow you to easily capture cinematic shots. The GPS system and brushless motors provide stable flight performance, making it a reliable drone for beginners. Pros: controller with built-in screen, stable GPS flight system, smart flight modes, lightweight design. Overall, this drone offers great convenience and beginner-friendly flying features. Number 5. Potensic ATOM SE GPS drone. Finally, at number 5, we have the Potensic ATOM SE GPS drone, a compact and affordable drone with impressive performance. This drone weighs under 249 grams, making it easy to carry and travel with. It features a 4K camera with electronic image stabilization and a 4km transmission range, allowing you to capture beautiful aerial footage from a distance. The brushless motor and GPS positioning system help ensure smooth and stable flights. It also includes useful features like auto return, multiple flight modes, and foldable design, making it perfect for beginners. Pros: compact and lightweight design, 4K camera with stabilization, 62 minutes total flight time, beginner-friendly controls. Overall, the Potensic ATOM SE is a reliable entry-level drone that delivers great value for beginners. So that was our list of the top 5 best drones in 2026. If you want the best overall performance, the Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal drone is a fantastic choice. If you're looking for a budget-friendly beginner drone, the SIMREX GPS drone is definitely worth considering. And for advanced features and immersive 8K video, the Antigravity A1 Explorer stands out from the competition. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.